My dear brothers and sisters, right now we're in the midst of the holiday season. In fact, Thanksgiving is going to be tomorrow. And it seems to me, what more vital and alive thing that can we be doing than planting, than sowing a tray of wheatgrass on the eve of Thanksgiving? Why not? So we've put together a flat brimming with vital California earth, and of course I've added cow manure too, an absolute basic in organic farming and gardening. And this soil is so rich, so vital, giving life to all. So let us begin with some seeds that I've germinated. This is wheatgrass. I've soaked them overnight and then rinsed them for 2 or 3 days, every morning and every evening. Simple organic wheatgrass that you can buy in any natural food store. And here we go. So they're sprouted and they are ready. So let's sprinkle these at the top of the flat. Here we go. Okay. Okay, that looks like a winner. Let's use all of these precious seeds. There we go. So, yeah, let's spread them out thinly, and there we have it. We have a flat of sprouted wheat berries, and now when I get home, I'll give it a deep watering, and then I'll cover it with a cloth, one of these cloths that you get from the dry cleaner would be just perfect. They're very easy to use. So every morning and every evening, I'll give it a watering. I'll keep it in a south-facing window, but for the first few days it can be in darkness. I'll keep it in a south-facing window, and the miracle of germination will occur. And after the shoots are an inch or two high, I'll be sure to put it out in direct sunlight and water it every day. And after a week and a half to 2 weeks or so, this is the result. A tray of wheatgrass. You could put this in your smoothies. You could put this in your green drinks. You could use it in so many, many ways. You're juicing apples? Throw in a clump of wheatgrass. You're juicing carrots? A clump of wheatgrass, please. It will go so very, very well and add so much vitality. So that's all there is to growing your own wheatgrass. And grow it as an affirmation. Grow it as a type of resolution that we will come through no matter what. The vitality at the grassroots will bring us through, surely, as it has done so many, many times before. And I'm aware that the doomsday clock of the Bulletin of Atomic Scientists is 90 seconds towards midnight. We live in a very, very dangerous world, but we will come through. And at Living Tree Community, we do our part by supporting family farmers in California, Oregon, and the Midwest. It is our privilege to work with them, and in some cases we've been working with them for decades. We also support the buffalo and the people who are working continuously to preserve the last herd of wild buffalo in the States, and the herd resides in Yosemite. They're under constant attack by hunters, by land use people, and so forth. And we support the buffalo, our American heritage. We also support Hetch Hetchy. Hetch Hetchy was a great valley parallel to Yosemite, 20 miles to the north, and it has been inundated by water. It's under, a dam was built right across the valley, and its natural beauty is submerged 300 feet deep. Hetch Hetchy, the fight to preserve Hetch Hetchy was John Muir's last struggle. The powers of progress were too overwhelming. He could not withstand them, and the dam was built. But one day it will be removed, and this will be a sure sign of the redemption of this North American. So my dearest of friends, why not start planting, or at least planning, your springtime garden? There are so many videos out there, so many helpful videos guiding you step by step. Why not plant a tree, even an historic apple tree, this winter, as an example, as an expression of your faith in this people and this land? So plant your tray of wheatgrass. You'll be able to take cutting after cutting from it. Be sure to water it every day once it's full grown, and it will be a treasure. Keep it, as I say, in a south-facing window, or if you have a greenhouse, that would be ideal. So our privilege to share with you, my dear friends, on this eve of Thanksgiving, let us go forward together. You might want to click on the subscribe button down below. Your comments are treasured and appreciated. Thank you for permitting me to share with you my privilege.